Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Senpex Courier app. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this easy method to install it. So if you are an Apple user, then you can use your Apple Store, and if you're an Android user, then you can use your Google Play Store. So just open your Google search bar. If you are an Android user, then search for this app. Okay, so as you can see here, our app is here. So from here you can directly click on the install button and it will automatically download the app in your device. It's very easy. If you scroll down, you can also see the ratings too, and you can also give the ratings in this app too. So it is very easy to install. And if you have any question or doubt, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.